Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Blackview A90. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and from here begin a search for Microsoft Edge. Enter Microsoft Edge like this and install this app. Now let's open this app. From here we can start customizing, and first thing is to install sign in order to turn on synchronization between other devices. I'm gonna do it later, of course you can do it. Here you can either agree or disagree with sharing preferences. I'm gonna disagree and move to the next step. Lastly is to set your Microsoft Edge as the default browser. You can skip it by pressing not now or set it as default as I just did. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.